everybody, Natalie here again from Serpstat. So welcome back to our channel. And in today's video, we're still going to be discussing about Serpstat. But before we go, head over to serpstat.com. I have here on the screen the landing page for Serpstat, and I want to tell you quickly about some important offers that we have currently going on. So if you're looking for an SEO audit, a tool for an SEO audit, we have just a thing for you. So here we have an actionable free SEO audit that you can get in less than 1 minute. So all you have to do is to fill up this short form right here and then click on this get your free audit button so that you can get started. And then another thing that we want you to fully take advantage of is this free guide that can show you how Serpstat is amassing agencies at additional thousands of dollars per month running on autopilot. So for this one, if you're curious on how that works, or if you're generally curious about this free guide that we have for you, then all you need to do is to just input your first name and your email address so that you can get started on this as well. So please, after watching this video, I hope that you head on over to serpstat.com so that you can take advantage of these offers that we have just for you. So for today's video specifically, let's go to the main agenda we have for today, which is discussing all about the FAQ generation tool that is still under the AI content tools that Serpstat offers. So for FAQ generation, of course, it's best for those writers that are maybe writing service pages or just FAQ pages in general. So there are times when I know there are times when we get writer's block on what exactly are the proper questions to include in FAQs. So this is the tool for you. So it works by following 2 steps. So first is to generate question ideas and generate answers for a given question. And then you can skip the first step if you and add your own questions to generate an FAQ for your website. So of course, what you should not forget about this AI content tools is that every generation request has a corresponding number of credits of tools module. So that one, you should be aware of that and should be mindful as well. So this is why we are not really able to fully utilize the tool. But then again, I just want to give you all a quick look on what you can expect from the list of or the several AI content tools that are available once you have an account and subscription in Serpstat. So just also a reminder that this tool is currently available only for texts in English. So that's another limitation of the tool. But then again, it should be fine since most articles, or if the articles that you are mostly writing for are in the English language. So another thing to be mindful of is to, of course, input your Serpstat API token, which you can find on your profile, or you can set that token as well here so that you can get or you can proceed with this generation request. So that's it actually for FAQ generation. So this one's going to be very useful if ever you're having a difficult time coming up with relevant questions that would generate attention from your site's visitors. So we have, I think, last two for AI content tools, and then we're going to be heading over to the next set of tools for Serpstat. But then I hope that you stay tuned until the rest or until the end of the series, as we have a lot more still to come for you. So thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys again on the next video.